Oh yeah, rhyme-based practice number 3. We're getting into it. 4 words on the screen in various rhyming combinations. You will rhyme with them on the 4th beat or any way you like. Every 4 bars, the words will change, and I'll be vibing with you and counting you through it. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 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 Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. That's right. That's right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And congratulations. You did it. Go back through it again. Try different combinations, different games. And just keep it funky, y'all. As always, Genius over doubt. And let's see who's up. You did it. Hey, swing it. Yeah. All right, see you in the next one.